Hello, welcome. I am Naresh. In this video, I am going to discuss about the bidirectional integration between Jira software and Opsgenie. So, first of all, I am selecting a company manager software project from my instance. So, I'll select this integration. So, this is my project from Jira instance. Let me go to Opsgenie. Let me go to Teams. And among these three teams, I'll choose ops. Right. So I have selected the project in Jira and team in Opsgenie, and I am going to integrate these two. Right. So first of all, let me go to integrations in the Opsgenie. On the right side, you can see add integration button. You just click on it and there are several apps available, among which you need to select Jira Software Legacy. And here you are having a webhook URL, but right now I don't use this, but uh, I'll use this later. First of all, my intention is create Jira issues in software project for Opsgenie alerts. Okay, so this is a bidirectional integration. What does it mean? We need to create Jira issues for Opsgenie alerts and we need to create Opsgenie alerts for Jira issues as well. So first of all, I am concentrating on this part, that is create Jira issues for Opsgenie alerts. So to achieve this, we need to check this square box. As soon as you check, Opsgenie will create 4 actions for us. The first action is very important for us because of this action only, Opsgenie creates a Jira issue for an alert. The remaining 3 actions are used to update the Jira issue. So let us see what are those. If alert is created in Opsgenie, create an issue in Jira. So you don't remove this first action because this is very important to achieve the first thing of the bidirectional integration. And the second one is if alert is acknowledged in Opsgenie, comment will be added in Jira. Alert is closed in Opsgenie, again comment will be added in Jira. If a note is added to Opsgenie, and that note will be added as a comment to Jira. So these are the actions which were created by Opsgenie when you check this box, create Jira issues for Opsgenie alerts. And coming down, alert filter. And this is very, very important for us. See here, match all alerts. What does it mean? Each and every alert that is coming to Ops team, Opsgenie will create Jira issue for us. Actually, that is not recommended. Actually, we don't need Jira issues for each and every alert that is coming to Ops team. So I have a criteria for this video, that is you just click on this alert filter. You are having 2 more options. So I'll choose this last one, match all conditions below for now. And if as soon as you click on it, you are having several options to choose as a filter. Okay, so I'll discuss about all these filters in coming videos. But as far as now, I'll select tags and I'll choose tag as Jira. So what does it mean? If any alert that is coming to Ops team with Jira as a tag, then Opsgenie will create a Jira issue for us. So that is what we are saying to Opsgenie. You just come down here, you can see that issue type. So we need to give issue type also to Opsgenie. So to give issue type, let me go to project settings of the Jira software project and go to summary to check issue types scheme. Here these are all the available issue types, among which I am selecting story issue type. Okay, so while writing the issue type here, you must be careful. You cannot write something like this. story. See, all are capital letters. Actually, the format is the first letter is capital, remaining all are small. You need to write like that only. Okay. So even you cannot write all small letters also. This is also wrong. We need to give exactly what we are seeing on the Jira story. Okay. Next, URL. So this is the Jira instance URL. So this is my Jira instance URL I am giving, and username. Actually, these are the credentials. We need to give credentials of a Jira account. Uh, so otherwise, Opsgenie cannot log in into our account. Even Opsgenie also need credentials to log in into Jira for creating Jira issue. So that we need to give credentials to Opsgenie. I am giving my credentials to Opsgenie. Actually, in organizations, we maintain generic accounts for integration purpose. So actually, I don't have a generic account right now. Actually, I am on a free plan. So actually, for showing these demonstrations only, I created these Jira instances. So I don't have generic account right now. I am giving uh, my account credentials only. Let me write. So this is my username, and here you can give a password of the account, or you can give the API token. So I'll show you how to take the API token from the account. So to take that, you need to go to Jira, go to admin console. Under personal settings, you can have Atlassian account settings. You just click on it, and here you can see the security. On the right side, you can see the API token. Okay, here you can create API token for integration. Click on create. Okay, next click on create API token. So now I am integrating ops team with integration project. Therefore, I am giving name like that. Just click on create. So this is my API token. You just take a copy of it and close it. Remember, after closing this, you cannot copy the API token again. So you must save the API token in your personal folder for reuse. Okay. So I am closing this. Let me go back to the Opsgenie and I'll give API token here. Now you need to give the project key. So this key is crucial to integrate ops team with the project which is existing in this instance. Okay. So if you click on details, you can have the project key. IN is the project key where I need to integrate. So integration. Okay. So everything is in order. So we have checked this box. Opsgenie created actions for us. Thereafter, I gave tags to Jira, tags to Opsgenie. So the Jira is the tag. And coming down, I gave the story as the issue type, gave instance URL, just gave the credentials and project key. And now just come down. No need to do anything. Just save integration. That's it. Now we are ready to test drive. That is, I will create an alert for ops team. Let me go here, teams. I will create an alert for ops team. Opsgenie will create a Jira issue for me. So let us see whether that is working or not. I will create a test alert. So for creating test alerts, I can use this button from here. You can, this is a default API. You can create a alert. Let me write something like ops integration. Integration is the project name of the uh, Jira, Jira software project. Let me write first alert. Okay, let me write one. Okay, So now here don't forget to give responders because our integration exists in ops team only. Therefore, don't forget. So by adding a responder team here, then only the alert, okay, will be assigned to ops team. Okay, therefore the integration will start work. Don't forget to give ops team while doing testing. And here I am giving tag as Jira because I mentioned Jira as a tag to create Jira issue. So that's it. If you want advanced fields, you can click on this button here, but I don't want right now. So let me create an alert for ops team, right? Where is my alert? Let me refresh it. Yeah, here is it. So this is the alert. So here you can see that ops is the responder team. You can see the tag Jira. Okay. Let me click this. See here, issue key. Issue key is IN5. IN is the project key of the integration project. IN5 is the issue key of the issue. What does it mean? So Opsgenie, as soon as I created this alert, Opsgenie created an issue for me. Okay, let us see in Jira whether it is created or not. Let me go to Jira and let me go back to project. Let me click on issues. Boom, that is it. See here, this is the issue which has been created by the Opsgenie. See here, ops integration first alert one, ops integration first alert one. So I created alert in Opsgenie for ops team. Okay, so Opsgenie confirms that alert has Jira as a tag and the responder team is ops. Therefore, Opsgenie created an issue in Jira project, Jira software project. So this is the issue. And if you go to reporter, see here. So reporter is G Naresh. Actually, this is my name. This is my account. Actually, I gave my credentials to the Opsgenie. Therefore, the reporter is G Naresh. So that is the confusion. Actually, I didn't create this issue. Opsgenie created this issue. Therefore, in organization you must use a generic account, something like Opsgenie user, something like Opsgenie API, something like that, anything. So therefore there could be no confusion. So let me test again, or let me create one more alert. Let me copy this. Let me create one more alert. Let me name it as 2. Let me give the responder team as ops. This time I don't give tag. Let us see what happens. Create. See, there is no issue key here. What does it mean? Opsgenie didn't create the Jira for us. Why? Because the tag is not there. Jira tag is not there. Therefore, Opsgenie didn't create the alert. And I'll create one more alert. Just I want to play on this. So let me, this is 3. Let me give ops. This time I will give tag, but I will give a wrong tag. Let me create this. Okay, see here what happens. See again, here I gave the tag, but the tag is not what I gave in the integration. See, the tag has spelling something like JIRAAA. Actually I gave JIRA. That's it. Therefore Opsgenie didn't create the issue. Okay, now this time again I'll give ops and I'll give Jira. Okay, let us see. now this time Opsgenie has to create an issue in Jira, right? Because I gave Jira correctly, responder team correctly. Okay, it should create. Let create. So let me click here. Boom. See here, IN6. So let me go to Jira. Let us see whether it is there or not. Go to all issues. Where is it? Let me refresh it. Yes. Boom. See here. So this is the issue which has been created by Opsgenie. Ops integration first alert 4. Ops integration first alert 4. And the reporter is G Naresh. Okay. So Opsgenie login into my account with my credentials and created an issue for me. So this is the first part of the bidirectional integration. So what we have achieved now, if you create an alert in Opsgenie, Opsgenie will create an issue for me. Okay, by following the criteria what I provided to Opsgenie. Now, let us see the second part of the bidirectional integration. So to see that, you just go to Teams again, go to Ops, go to Integrations. Here, click on Integration. For second part, I'll use I'll use this webhook URL. Okay. So what is the second part? I'll create a issue in software project. So Jira will create an alert for me. So that is the second part. So to achieve that, I need this webhook URL. I just take copy of it, click on copy, and let me go back to Jira instance and click on settings tab, and here click on system. There I can find webhook. Scroll down, click on webhooks. On the right side, you can see the create webhook option. Click on it. Let me write ops integration. So under URL section, you need to provide the URL what you have copied from the Opsgenie. So thereafter, come down. So here, issue related events. Under issue related events, you can see all issues. What does it mean? Suppose if you leave like this, what happens is whatever for each and every issue that is going to create in Jira instance will create an alert in Opsgenie for Ops team. So that is the problem. Actually, I don't want each and every alert that is creating, okay, in each and every project in instance. Okay. So I have a criteria that is project equal to, so I am writing JQL query here, project equal simple, just integration is my project. So I am concentrating on integration project and issue type. Let me write issue, let me write type equal to, let me write bug. Oh, what happened? Where is it? I'm sorry. Let me give bug. Right. So this is the JQL provided to webhook. So only I'll have the alerts for bug issues which are going to create in integration project. And don't forget to check issue created and issue updated options. Just come down and click on create. So that's it. Now let us go to test drive. So let me go to Jira again. So I'll create a task first and let us see what happens. The first ops integration, first alert, something like that. Let me create this. So See here, click on view issue. I can see the issue. Let me click on issue. So this is the issue what I have created in integration project. And if you go to Opsgenie, you click on alerts. See, there is no alert here. There is no alert here because in webhook we gave the JQL that only bugs need to be created in integration to have alerts in Opsgenie. So now I'll go ahead and create bug. Ops integration first bug. Okay, let me create this. So let me refresh this. You can see the bug here. So this is the bug. So if you go to Opsgenie and just to refresh this, boom. See, Ops integration first bug. If you click here, so you can see the responsible issue for this alert. See IN8. If you go to Jira, you can see IN8 and summary Ops integration first bug. Ops integration first bug. So here you can see that this is the syntax for the alerts which have been created from Jira. You can also edit this and we can see how we can do that in coming videos. So my dear friends, we have seen how the Jira and Opsgenie are integrated bi-directionally. Okay, so let me create one more alert for my satisfaction. Uh, Ops integration. Let me write final bug. Okay, so this is what I am creating in Jira. So Jira has been created, and if you go to alerts, let me refresh this. Boom! That is the magic, my dear friends. See, ops integration final bug, and the responsible issue is IN9. Okay, you click on this view issue, and here, see here, IN9. So in this video, we have seen that if you create an issue in Jira, Opsgenie or Jira will create an alert for you, or if you create an alert for Opsgenie team, Opsgenie will create an Jira issue for you. So that's it, my dear friends. If you like this video, please click on like button, and if you don't want to miss videos from me, so you just click on subscribe button. That's it. Thank you.